If you think the Jaguar E-Type is the ultimate vintage Grand Tourer, you've been sold a lie. The greatest classic car in existence doesn't come from Britain, and it doesn't wear a Ferrari badge. It's a front-wheel drive French spaceship powered by a screaming Italian supercar engine, the 1970 Citroen SM. Now, before we look at the insane Maserati heart beating under the hood, drop your guess in the comments. What do you think a fully restored piece of this French automotive history costs today? The answer is going to shock you. Up front, the Citroen SM looks like it was designed for a sci-fi movie rather than a 1970s showroom. It completely abandoned traditional grilles for a full-width glass wraparound fascia that houses 6 halogen headlights with the license plate floating cleanly behind the glass. Those inner headlights aren't just for show either. They physically swivel with the steering wheel to look around corners, a piece of tech that took other automakers decades to copy. The hood is a massive, sweeping piece of aircraft-grade aluminum that commands attention. But wait until you see the side profile, because the aerodynamics get even crazier. Walk around to the side, and the SM silhouette is an absolute teardrop masterclass. It sits gracefully on 15-inch steel wheels or optional, ultra-rare Michelin resin wheels, tucked beautifully behind aerodynamic rear wheel spats. The character lines sweep dramatically downward from the front wheel arch to the rear, giving it the illusion of speed even when parked. It uses flush, chrome-trimmed pole handles and a roofline that tapers aggressively to cheat the wind, making it one of the most aerodynamic cars of its era. But the real visual theater isn't the side profile. It's what happens when you step around to the back. At the rear, the car abruptly chops off into a sharply angled camback tail, totally defying standard luxury car proportions of the time. The taillight signature is neatly integrated into a chrome bumper assembly, completely avoiding the bulky, plastic look that ruined so many classics from this era. Because it's powered by a roaring internal combustion engine, twin chrome exhaust tips peek out from underneath, framing a massive glass liftgate that was incredibly practical for grand touring. But as wild as this spaceship exterior is, step inside, because the cabin makes a modern Mercedes look completely unimaginative. Step inside, and the interior is a pure avant-garde experience. There are no massive digital screens here. Instead, the dashboard features stunning oval-shaped dials set into a brushed metal or gold-tone fascia. You take control via Citroen's iconic single-spoke steering wheel, which looks like an airplane yoke and provides a totally unobstructed view of the gauges. The materials are incredible, featuring deeply padded, ribbed leather upholstery and seats that offer living room levels of comfort and adjustability. Rear seat legroom is a bit tight for a grand tour, but the cargo space under that glass hatch easily swallows enough luggage for a cross-continental road trip. Now, if you want me to keep digging up forgotten automotive legends like this before the big channels even remember they exist, hit subscribe right now. It takes 2 seconds, and it's the only reason this channel keeps finding these incredible machines. Let's talk money, because this is where the classic car market gets very interesting. Today, the starting price for a drivable Citroen SM project sits right around €40,000, or roughly £35,000 in the UK. But if you want a top-trim, concourse condition model with the highly desirable 3-liter fuel-injected engine, you are looking at well over €100,000. Frame that against its rivals. For less than what you'd pay for a base, rusted-out Porsche 911 from the same era, you get a coach-built French icon with Italian supercar DNA. Is it worth it? When you factor in its rarity, it might be the most undervalued classic on Earth. But you can't truly appreciate the value until you feel what's under the hood. Underneath that massive hood sits a masterpiece, a 2.7-liter or 3.0-liter Maserati V6 engine that produces up to 180 horsepower and 230 newton-meters of torque. Keep in mind, this is an icy legend released to the European market back in 1970. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes around 8.5 seconds, and it tops out at a blistering 220 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest front-wheel drive car in the world when it launched. The real-world usability is shocking. Thanks to the legendary hydropneumatic suspension, it glides over broken pavement like a hovercraft. Sure, fuel economy sits at a thirsty 13 liters per 100 kilometers, but the sensory thrill of that Maserati exhaust note makes every drop worth it. And the engineering underneath doesn't stop at the engine.
Imagine pulling into your driveway in this. You aren't just driving a car, you're piloting the ultimate symbol of retrofuturism. But here is the biggest gamble with the SM. Its terrifying mechanical complexity means that if the hydropneumatic system fails, you're looking at a massive repair bill. Does the thrill of a Maserati V6 outweigh the fear of French-Italian reliability? Tell me if you'd take that risk in the comments. And if you want to see how this era of design stacks up against a modern homage, the video about the incredible new DS SM Tribute is on your screen right now. Go watch it!